Discover how to extract keywords from any sentence using LangChain and Ollama's Llama 3.2 model. Let's dive right in. We're about to use AI to pull out the most important keywords from a sentence using LangChain and the Llama 3.2 model. First, we're importing the tools we need: LangChain's Ollama LLM for the AI model and prompt template to help us craft our instructions. Now we're creating an LLM object and telling it to use the latest version of the Llama 3.2 model. This is the brain behind our keyword extraction. Here, we're building a prompt template. It takes in your text and asks the AI to pull out 5 keywords from whatever you give it. This template makes it easy to reuse for any sentence. Let's set up our example sentence. AI is transforming healthcare, finance, and education. Then we send this to the LLM using our prompt and get back the keywords. We'll print out the original sentence so you can see exactly what we're working with. And finally, let's print the keywords the AI found. Let's run the code and see the results.